In just 2 decades, settlers, poachers, and professional hunters almost completely wiped out the entire lion population in this vast wilderness. But one lioness survives. Lady is now collared to keep track of her movement. The average age of a lion in the wild is 16. She has about 6 years to produce a litter. To find a mate for Lady, the team goes to neighboring Kafue National Park. Audio recordings of lionesses lure the males. Wildlife vet Dr. Ian Parsons darts 2 males. As a coalition, they stand a better chance to survive the trauma of a translocation. The 2 lions wake up in an enclosure, or a boma, right in the middle of Lady's core territory. This is the first time in years that Lady has set eyes on her own kind. She keeps watch as the 2 males familiarize themselves with their new home. Lady's response is odd. She rolls to show them she is not a threat. But she doesn't approach them. And then she leaves them. Almost 3 years go by without incident. The males are hardly recognizable. They are now almost 6 years old, and their bodies are beefed up, their manes more pronounced. After all this time, they're still together and have bonded with Lady, who seems to be doing all the hunting. The fact that she allows the males to join her and that they don't chase her off the carcass is significant. Eating together is the first building block of a pride.